there, today we're going to be doing the egg in the bottle experiment. In this experiment, we will be showing you guys how the egg can be sucked inside the bottle due to air pressure. Let's begin this experiment. So, the first thing we're going to want to do is look at the egg. You see, if you look at the egg, the bottle opening is much more smaller than the egg. So, it'll be almost impossible if I try to squeeze this inside. It will not work. But we need to find another way, which now we're going to be using science for it. So we're going to be using this candle, this paper, this egg, and the bottle for our experiment. I'll be using this paper. I'm going to be lighting it.
You can use an adult's
Okay,
help.
and I'm immediately going to put the egg on top of it. So as you see, the egg is slowly being pushed inside the opening of the bottle. But the egg is much more larger.
When the egg goes a little bit through, it'll just come going to, wow.
See? As you saw that, the egg somehow went inside the bottle without even being pushed. How does this even work? Well, this is our old friend, air pressure. As you see, the egg is being sucked inside the bottle. The fire, it uses up oxygen so it can keep on burning. While inside air, it is very hot, therefore creating a higher pressure. While outside, it has a much more lower air pressure than what's inside the bottle. Now the air, it tries to equalize the air pressure. So a lot of air tries to rush inside. The egg slowly started to bounce a bit, and then the fire will go out because eventually all the oxygen inside this bottle will eventually run out. Again, this started to get a lower air pressure because all the air inside it used to be hot, but then when there's no more fire heating it up, it's slowly starting to cool off, creating a suction. This suction sucked the egg inside without us having to push it or anything. Okay, now we're going to be doing the same experiment, this time in a different way. Idant, you see this egg? Can you take it out of the bowl? And now poke the small candles. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. There, just poke it like that. And poke it over here. There. Now, I'm gonna light these two candles on fire. So, no. So now we are going to put it like this. Let's see. Does it get sucked in? Yes, it does. It does get sucked in. I'm letting it go. Literally, look at it. Look how strong the suction is.
So this egg broke, so we couldn't do it. But let's talk about this. How do we get this egg out, Taryn? How do we get this egg out?
This is how we do it. So what happened is that we created low air pressure in this. Now we have to create high air pressure back in the bottle again so that these eggs can come out. So I'm going to be doing that. Hopefully you guys learned how air pressure works and the suction that air pressure can do. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.